Hello guys, myself Santosh Pandey. In the previous video we have seen how we can create a database with or without demo database, okay, or how we can take a backup of database, and how we can restore the database. Um, in this video we will see how to install the Odoo, okay, and we will see how we can connect our Odoo with PG admin tools, okay, so that we can check all the database name, okay, and all tables, okay. So first we will see how we can install the Odoo on Ubuntu operating system. So I'm going to go on the Chrome, and so guys, this is my YouTube channel, okay. Here I have uploaded the 4 videos, and every day uh, I keep trying to upload more and more videos, technical videos on YouTube, okay. So I'm going to go in Chrome. I'll close it now, and I'll type how to install Odoo 16.04, and there is many link is here. You can use any of them, but I use this one because I am using the 16.04 operating system, and I want to install Odoo 11, so I prefer this one, webcool. And so guys, follow all these steps. First, use this command sudo apt get update, so it will update all your apps, okay. And just fire this second command, sudo add user system home opt Odoo group Odoo, okay. It basically create the Odoo user as it is written here, okay. And the third step is to install the Postgres SQL, okay, that we will use for storing the data, for storing the records, okay. So Odoo use the Postgres SQL, so this will install your Postgres. And here your as it is written here, once the Postgres SQL is installed, next we will set up a new Postgres SQL user for our applications, okay. So just fire this commands, sudo service Postgres SQL start sudo su Postgres, okay. And after firing this command, it will provide the username, okay. So I'm going to create the user with this username Odoo, and here it will ask for password, okay. And after exit the system, it will come in the previous directory, okay. And guys, this is for optional, so leave it, okay. Okay, so for step 4 is optional, so leave it, and just come to the step 5. And Odoo 11 use the Python 3 version, okay. So by using this command, your Python 3 will install, okay. And this is the basics Python dependency files and Python libraries, okay. So by firing this command, all Python libraries will installed, okay. And this is the some Odoo web dependencies, so fire these all these commands, okay. In step 6, here it is providing the it is asking for installation of Git, okay, because in Git Odoo 11 version is available. So first, if you fire this command, then it will install Git, and from here it will switch to the Odoo user, okay, by firing this command. And Git clone is basically used to clone the Odoo 11 version, okay. So we will write git clone, and here is the link of Odoo 11, okay. So fire same as it is written here, okay. Okay guys, so after exit, okay, step 7 shows like we have to make the one config file and one log file, okay. So it is written here like sudo make directory in var log odoo. Okay, so in var folder and in log there would be odoo folder would be there. Okay, and by using sudo ch1 we are providing the access rights. Okay, and by firing this command it will open the terminal, and you have to just paste it this. Okay, whatever is written here. But guys, remember here we have to write db host localhost db port 5432, and db user would be odoo, which we have put here. This. Okay, whatever will be your username, it would be same as here. Okay, and db password would be your db password name, which we have put it previously. Okay, I'll show you again. Okay, whatever password you will put it here, it will same as in the config file. Okay, okay, so now your config file will be ready, and by using ch1 we can provide the access rights chmod 640. Okay, so guys, step 8 is not necessary because it is required for server purpose. Okay, so we are leaving it. Okay, step 9 no required, it is also for server purpose. Okay, so guys, I will put it this link in our description, so from there you can refer this, and you can install the Odoo 11 on Ubuntu operating systems. If you have any problem on that, then just mention in the comment section, so that I will resolve your problem. So guys, suppose I hope you will install Odoo 11 operating system. So let's go. I'll go in PyCharm community. Okay, and I already installed the Odoo 11. So guys, I'll show you. I have created the var file and config file. So guys, in the etc, and in the etc I have created the Odoo server config file. Okay, so this is my config file. Okay, and in var, in log, and here is Odoo. You see your log file is here. Okay, so config file and log file is required. So config file is basically required to provide your path where your add-ons would be there, and config and log file is used to show the all log. So as you can see that odoo11.log is my log file. So from here I can see all infos, warnings and errors, everything. Okay, and config file provides the add-ons path. Okay, so if I'll open my config file, suppose I'll show you what is in config file. So basically guys, many developer prefer to put the config file in etc and log file in var. So just make sure it should be here. It's not necessary, but it's a good habit to put the config file in etc folder. Okay, so I'll search Odoo server config. Let's see what is written in the Odoo server config. Okay, so guys, as you can see that db host localhost db port 5432 db user add Odoo db password Odoo, and you have to just put the log file here. So it will be your path name where your log file occurs. So currently it's my log file is in var folder log, and there is a Odoo folder, and in that there is a Odoo server log. Okay, and it's necessary to put your add-ons path is here. Okay, so my add-ons path is opt. In the opt there is a Odoo 11 folder is there, and under that there is add-ons. Okay, so guys, all this is necessary. to put in the Odoo config file. First db host, db port, db user, db password, and log file, because if you will not put the log file, then it will shows the error. You cannot see your errors and everything, all logs. Okay, and it also necessary to put the add-ons path, because if you will not put the add-ons path, then your config file cannot read your path, your module name. Okay, I mean your module. Okay, so this means like first your config file, as you start your server. Okay, so as you can see that it reads your config file. Okay, so your config file shows that it's, and under the etc there is odoo server.config file is there, and from and in the odoo server config file all this data is here. Okay, so it will see where is your add-ons path. So my add-ons path is under the opt, there is a Odoo 11.0 module is there, and under that there is a add-ons folder. Okay, so let's check. I'll go in computer, and in opt, as I show in the config file, there is Odoo 11.0 folder is there, and under that there is add-ons folder, and in add-ons folder all my Odoo add-ons is here. Okay, this is my all Odoo modules which we can use to customize our requirements. Okay, so guys, and in the PyCharm, from here you can create your Odoo file name. Currently I have created the Odoo 11 for Odoo 11. Okay, currently I am using the Odoo 11, that's why I've created the file name in the folder name Odoo 11. Let's see what we have put it here. So there is a script path. Script path is basically used, like from here you can choose that basically my Odoo bin, this is the basic file. From here your Odoo runs. Okay, this takes the Odoo bin, and from your server service start. Okay, so my Odoo bin is here in Odoo 11.0. okay, under that there is Odoo bin. So I have chosen the path here. Parameters, here your config file would be here. Okay, so my config file is under the etc. Okay, as I shown previously, and here my project is Odoo 11.0. okay, and here Python interpreter. So basically Odoo 11 use Python 3.5. so basically I have used this interpreter. Okay, and just click on apply and click on OK. So before moving that, there is a logs button is there. So from here you can add your log. Currently I have added my log. Just click on log, and here you can name it as Odoo 11 log. Okay, and from here you can select your log file. So currently my log file is in var, so I will go in var, and there is a log, and inside there is Odoo folder, and as you can see that there is Odoo server log. So I can select this path. Currently I already created the Odoo log, so I will not create the new one. Okay, after all this configuration, just click on apply and click on OK. Okay, so everything has set up now. So guys, I hope you will like this video and you understand whatever I have explained. If not, then mention in the comment section, so that in the next session I will try to resolve your problem. Okay, and guys, just if you like this video, then just click on thumb icon, and if you dislike, then click on dislike button. Okay, so thank you guys.